There's lots of fun going on. Oh, this is where you're going to want to spend most of your time. And I'm about to go get me a dirty mojito. Look at this slide. Let's go on up and take a look at that ship to see where we're at. If you're just getting on the boat and you don't have your drink card yet or your room card, you can always use your boarding pass. They will scan the little top right there. So let's go get a drink. My first drink is going to be a dirty mojito, and we hadn't even left the port yet.
Cruiser actually is Malibu, peach schnapps, pineapple, and
Look at those. Delicious. That looks good. Wonder what they're drinking. All right.
Get a margarita, or you want.
All right, Sambo. So what did you get?
A strawberry daiquiri, of course.
Oh, a strawberry daiquiri. And what did you get?
The beachcomber.
Oh, yum.
Tell us about the straw. It's an edible straw. Edible straw. It's made out of candy. Yum yum.
Oh, so you get something sweet with your strawberry daiquiri. Long line. Wow.
All right, we haven't even left port yet. As you can see through the window, and everything's getting ready. People are getting their drinks, getting some food, but we hadn't left port yet. What'd you get?
I got vodka and water and did a little added extra. I'm going to get a Mai Tai in just a few minutes right up front.
And remember, because we're in port in Florida, it's going to cost taxes until we get out to sea. So that was a what, 67 cents, right?
Correct. Yours is 47.
47 cents for a standard beer. All right. Now, whatever his name is,